Addressing journalists in Kampala, Godfrey Birungi, head teacher of Mbarara Secondary School, noted that while science teachers' salaries were enhanced following President Museveni's directive, school administrators who are also science educators were unfairly left out.
Opting to go to the ministry and request to be demoted. Yeah. Why? Because there is no sense for being a head teacher earning 2 million and the person you are supervising is earning 4 million, and yet you are of the same what? Qualification.
Head teacher warned that this pay structure might discourage young science teachers from pursuing leadership roles in the future.
Now, we are thinking possibly there is an intention with the technocrats to get rid of scientists in management positions. We are thinking, and it's possibly true. From the beginning of next term, as he called upon all the scientists in the secondary education, the teachers and the science administrators, please, we shall move forward, absent ourselves from teaching, to lay down tools from the administrative work. Possibly some teachers will be picked to take up those tasks.
The chairperson of Uganda Professional Science Teachers Union, APSTO, Elong Vincent, emphasized that marginalizing science head teachers and deputies is both unfair and counterproductive to improving education in Uganda.
Because we have also got outcry from science teachers, especially this one who are being promoted. The newly Minister of Education has issued appointment letter for so many science teachers promoted to deputyship, and all of them have refused to pick the appointment letter because of that crisis. Sincerely, there is a crisis. There is a very big crisis in that sector. So we are saying that the science teachers all, just like the medic has always done it, this time they say they are coming in solidarity.
He mentioned that the union had written to the Minister of Public Service and the First Lady, who is also the Minister for Education.
And we have agreed with them that they should go back and do their work in their respective workstations to allow the union to continue negotiations with government through Minister of Public Service and Minister of Education and Minister of Finance to ensure that this matter is resolved without causing trouble to our learners and the education sector in general. In case this matter is not handled within the next few weeks, then this is likely to affect the teaching of sciences in the next term. We are therefore requesting the Minister of Public Service through the Honorable Minister Muluni Mukasa to handle this matter with the urgency it deserves.
Teachers warned that if these salary discrepancies aren't addressed, it could demoralize science educators and deter future leaders in education. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.